Hello and welcome to this channel. How many of you feel frustrated sometimes? I think most of you, right? I think most of us, I should say, because all of us have some expectation from our life, and when we don't get that particular result, we feel frustrated, right? Of course not. If you say right, give yourself a tapu because we feel frustrated. That is our pattern. Check whatever is the situation right now because of which you are frustrated, you are feeling frustrated. When the situation was not there, were you still frustrated because of some other reason, because of some other situation? I'm sure you are, or you were. So frustration, if you are feeling frustration regularly on a week, maybe twice, thrice, four times, then this is your pattern. But the good news is you can overcome this pattern. How? So today's video I am going to tell you the secret which I have been using for the last 3 years consistently and which is very easy to implement. How many of you would be love to know that 3 to 4 minutes an exercise by applying which you can release all your frustration at least for that moment. I'm not telling that this by practicing one exercise you will release all your frustration for lifetime, but you can release frustration at least for that time and it will last depending on your frustration level, but it's very effective. What is that method? That method is called EFT, Emotional Freedom Technique. People call it tapping also. So why tapping? Because we tap at various points and these points are meridian points. That means these are the end point of some nerve which is actually creating some sensation in our brain to release that emotional feeling immediately. So, without spending much time on explaining, let's practice that. So, ready to release all your frustration. So, whenever you feel frustration, come back to this video, search Sudeshna Mindset Coach frustration, and you will get this video and practice this with me. Got it? Let's start. So, open your eyes, no problem. Keep your eyes open and just follow what I am saying. Say that and follow what I am doing. Now, tap here. This is character chopping point and say, even though I am feeling this frustration right now, I still deeply and completely love and accept myself the way I am. Now, take a deep breath. Tap again and say, even though I am feeling this frustration right now, I still deeply and completely love and accept myself. And I forgive myself for feeling this frustration. Take a deep breath again. So, while taking deep breath, inhale from your nose and exhale from your mouth slowly. Again, tap it and say, even though I'm feeling this frustration right now, I still love and accept myself the way I am right now. Take a deep breath. Now double tap in between your eyebrows and say, I release all my frustration. I release all the blame and complaint I'm feeling right now. I release all my expectation. I release whatever negative emotions consciously and unconsciously I'm feeling. I release all my frustration. I release all my fear because of which maybe the frustration has been created. I release all the expectation I have thinking that what other people will say. I release all the example I have set in my mind because of which I am getting the frustration. I release all the blame and complaint I am doing consciously or unconsciously in my life. I release all my doubts right now. I choose to feel satisfaction. I choose to believe that instead of feeling frustrated, feeling joy is my pattern. I choose to feel that feeling blessed is my new pattern. I choose to feel that whatever is happening right now because of which I am feeling frustrated, that's a process of getting something bigger. Whatever I am seeing, I can see a very very small percentage of it, but universe can see all of it. So if I am not getting something, that means I have not mastered the skills. If I have not got something, that means I am about to get something bigger. If I am not getting something because of which I am frustrating, that means I have not tried my best. So, dear universe, today I promise, instead of feeling frustrating, I choose to feel satisfied. I choose to feel blessed that I know EFT now. I choose to feel happy that now I am able to release my frustration in 10 minutes. Thank you so much, universe, for showing the right path. I promise I will follow the path, whatever it takes. And whenever I feel frustrated, I will release it. Thank you so much, universe. I love you. I love myself the way I am. I accept myself the way I am. Take a deep breath. So now, quick recap. First, what you need to do whenever you feel frustrated, ask yourself, what is why I am getting frustrated. So this is the reason you are giving to yourself, which is not true, because before that also, when this reason was not there, you used to feel frustrated. So the reason is you are giving it to yourself. That's not true. So accept that. The step number 2 is think and feel how much frustration you are feeling. Rate it. So this point I forgot to say it first. So rate your feeling on a scale of 0 to 10. 0 is minimum, 10 is maximum, so that you can measure after EFT. And then follow the EFT once or twice depending on whether it goes to 0 after one round. If it doesn't go to 0 one round, do it once more or twice, two times more. So generally 2 to 3 times is sufficient to release any negative emotions. So release your frustration, and then step 4 is start taking action, whatever you are doing and whatever you want to achieve. And I can guarantee you will achieve it, because universe has always bigger plan for you. Thank you so much watching this video till end. If you resonate with me and if you want to get this emotional freedom where you don't want to blame yourself or others and you want to achieve emotional freedom, join this WhatsApp community and DM the admin. You can book a free one-to-one session if you want to invest your time and money to upgrade your life. Till then, keep watching from my YouTube video, keep watching from the free content, and keep upgrading your life. Thank you so much. Bye bye.